Hello, John Talley here with Boats.net. Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a 2004 Yamaha F225. Now, if you've been keeping up with this particular series, you know that I've been all the way through this engine. And today, believe it or not, it is actually time to put a new filter and get some oil in this engine. There is an oil change kit from Yamaha that has the oil, it has the filter, it even has the crush ring that you need to put back on the drain bolt. And if you don't have one, they even send you a funnel. So let me go grab a couple of tools, we'll get this thing filled back up, and we'll be one step closer to starting this project back up. So let's go. Now I'm assuming that your engine has oil in it. This one has not been started yet, so it does not. But what you would do is go ahead and remove your fill cap, then go ahead and put down some type of oil pan under here to catch your oil, and then pull out this bolt. And that's a 14 millimeter. Now what you want to extract is the old crush washer, because we're going to be replacing this. Of course, there's no oil coming out of my engine because this one's never been filled. Now once yours is finished draining, go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. Now we're going to torque the drain bolt to 19 foot-pounds. Now before we carry it over there, let's open up one of our quarts of oil, and we just want to put a thin layer around this O-ring. Otherwise, if we put it on there dry, it has a chance of actually damaging the O-ring, and we don't want that. Next, let's go ahead and get on our oil filter, and we're going to torque this to 13 foot-pounds. Now, all we got to do is fill it back up. Get our fill cap back on. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps this one up. The only thing you have left to do is just get on the upper cover and put on the cowling. Now me, I've got a little bit more work to do before I can fire this thing up. And if you'd like to see that happen, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when we actually drop that video. If you need any other parts for your boat, why don't you come see us at Boats.net and we can get you taken care of. Listen, we just want to say thank you for shopping here with us at Boats.net, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.